Did you know Brussels sprouts have their roots in Belgium? These little green gems were first cultivated near Brussels centuries ago and have been a staple in European gardens ever since. From their humble beginnings in old European plots, they've traveled the world to become a misunderstood garden superstar, the Brussels sprout. Forget those mushy, overcooked sprouts from your childhood. Homegrown Brussels sprouts are nutty, sweet, and delicious. Watching these little green orbs spiral up a sturdy stalk is one of gardening's quiet joys. Whether you have a big patch or just a few pots, growing Brussels sprouts is a rewarding project. They take time, but the process is simple and the payoff is huge. These mini cabbages belong to the Brassica family, alongside broccoli and kale, and are packed with nutrients. Their unique architectural growth makes them a handsome addition to any garden. So let's dive in. From soil prep to harvest, I'll show you how easy and satisfying it is to grow your own superfood. By winter, you'll have a stalk full of crisp, fresh sprouts, far tastier than anything from the shop. The taste of homegrown, unbeatable. Brussels sprouts have deep roots in Belgium, cultivated near Brussels since the 13th century. Selective breeding turned wild cabbages into the tightly packed sprouts we know today. They thrive in cool climates and actually get sweeter after a frost. French settlers brought them to North America in the 1700s, but only recently have cooks rediscovered their true potential. Roasted, stir-fried, or raw in salads, they're a world away from the overboiled versions of the past. Growing Brussels sprouts connects you to centuries of gardening tradition and a rich agricultural heritage. Brussels sprouts are true superfoods, loaded with vitamin K for bones, vitamin C for immunity, and plenty of fiber for gut health. They're also rich in vitamin A, manganese, and potassium. Antioxidants and sulforaphane in sprouts help protect your cells and may reduce disease risk. Growing your own means you get these nutrients at their freshest and most potent. Every sprout is a mini medicine cabinet, nurturing your health with every bite. The garden-to-table connection is powerful. What you grow truly nourishes you. Invest a little effort, and you'll reap delicious health-boosting rewards. Brussels sprouts are a small package with big benefits. Ready to grow? Start seeds indoors in early spring. March or April is perfect. Sow seeds in trays with quality compost, keep them moist, and place in a sunny spot. When seedlings have a few true leaves, gradually harden them off outdoors over a week. Plant them out in rich, firm soil 2 feet apart in a sunny spot. Water well and plant firmly for strong roots and tight sprouts. Through summer, keep them watered, weeded, and feed monthly with a general fertilizer. Stake tall plants if needed, and remove yellowing lower leaves for airflow. Consistent care leads to healthy, productive plants. Brussels sprouts are hardy, but a little attention goes a long way. Watch as your plants grow tall and the sprouts begin to form up the stalk. It's a slow process, but the anticipation makes harvest all the sweeter. Soon, you'll have a garden full of green gems. After months of care, harvest time arrives in autumn and can last through winter. Pick firm green sprouts from the bottom up. Just twist and snap them off. Remove yellow leaves as you go to keep plants healthy. Leave the stalk after harvesting. In late winter, you'll get a bonus crop of tasty sprout tops. Homegrown sprouts are nutty, sweet, and perfect roasted, shredded, or steamed. Every bite is more satisfying when you've grown it yourself. Growing Brussels sprouts is about more than food. It's about pride, health, and the joy of the garden. Give it a try. Happy growing.